So first question is, which one of the following is a solution of d square u by dx square equal to k square u where k is a real, right? So this kind of differential equation, see, d square u by dx square minus k square u is equal to 0 format. This is a second order differential equation. So we have to solve, right side is 0, so we have to solve complementary function. So what is auxiliary equation corresponding to this? M square minus k square is equal to 0, right? Then m square is equal to k square, right? Then m is equal to plus or minus k. Then if roots are different means what you have to write? A constant c1 into e raised to this kx, right? Kx plus next root is minus, then c2 e raised to minus kx, right? So this is maybe a solution, this may be also another part of the solution. So out of the given option, e raised to minus kx, this part is reflecting here, but this is not, this also not, right? So option A is correct, right? All right.